Jesus heals a man with leprosy. Welcome to the Blessing Voices, where we explore the powerful miracles in the Bible. Today, we will look at Jesus heals a man with leprosy, found in Matthew chapter 8 verses 1 to 4, Mark chapter 1 verses 40 to 45, and Luke chapter 5 verses 12 to 16. This story shows us how Jesus' compassion and power bring healing and restoration. In Jesus' time, leprosy was a terrible disease that caused pain, disfigurement, and isolation. Those with leprosy were considered unclean and were forced to live outside the city. One day, as Jesus was teaching, a man with leprosy approached him and knelt down in faith, saying, "Lord, if you are willing, you can make me clean." Instead of avoiding him like others did, Jesus reached out his hand and touched him, saying, "I am willing. Be clean." Immediately, the man was healed. His sores disappeared, and he was completely restored. Jesus told him, "Don't tell anyone, but go, show yourself to the priest and offer the gift Moses commanded." This was a testimony that his healing was real. The man couldn't keep quiet. He went out and told everyone about his healing, and many people came to Jesus because of his testimony. The story of Jesus heals a man with leprosy teaches us important lessons about faith, healing, and compassion. First lesson: Jesus is willing to heal and restore. Psalm chapter 147 verse 3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. The man believed in Jesus' power, but he wasn't sure if Jesus was willing to heal him. Jesus' response was clear: "I am willing." Jesus cares deeply about us and wants to heal not only our bodies but also our hearts. Second lesson: we should show compassion like Jesus. Colossians chapter 3 verse 12. Clothe yourselves with compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and patience. Jesus touched the leper, even though society rejected him. We are called to love and care for those who are hurting, just like Jesus did. Here are 3 key takeaways from today's story. First, Jesus is willing to heal and restore. Second, faith in Jesus leads to transformation. Third, we should show compassion to those in need. Take a moment to think about these questions. 1. Do I believe that Jesus is willing to heal and restore me? 2. How can I trust Jesus in difficult situations? 3. How can I show kindness to those who are rejected by society? In the conclusion, the story of Jesus heals a man with leprosy teaches us. First lesson: Jesus is willing to heal and restore. Second lesson: we should show compassion like Jesus. No matter what challenges we face, Jesus is always ready to bring healing and restoration. Just as in Jesus heals a man with leprosy, we too can experience his power through faith and kindness. If God has worked in your life, share your story and encourage others. Let's trust in Jesus and believe that his power is still at work today. Please, like and follow the Blessing Voices for more messages of faith.